it's really unstable.
That's crazy. Look at the movement right there. Right there, Dan, on the right hand side.
Oh yeah.
That is forcing so fast. Oh yes!
Holy crap,
Okay.
get in.
Oh, look at the one up there on the T-section of the footpath.
The roos are running, they don't know what to do.
The poor kangaroos are getting smashed.
Holy crap, look at that one.
Oh my god. Look at the one in the gutter, yeah. Oh my god, guys, stay safe. This is insane. Look at the field. Look at the field.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We've seen big hail, but we've never had them hit like this. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the field.
Holy crap.
Wow. I feel like I need to have the safety hat on.
Be warned everyone, giant hail. Giant hail above 5 centimeters. I think it's
It's
passing.
starting to pass now. But look at this bit. Oh,
Never
there
mind.
goes the windscreen.
Oh, there it
Windscreen's
goes.
gone. Windscreen's gone. That was a massive donga.
I'm surprised they're still coming down.
The worst has passed, but we are not following this. Anyone in the direct path, check your radar right now and make sure you've got everything under cover.
This would be the biggest, worst hailstorm I've been in. Look at the field.
We can't get out of here, there's no point. There's zero cover, no power lines, nothing. We're in the open, in our state, and there's no point driving in this, it'll do more damage. And it's starting to pass us now anyway. So yeah,
Alright, it's passed. But I don't know if there's going to be still some big ones
I'm pretty
falling.
much flooded in on this side.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this. That is Australia for you. There's blue skies, and look at the feel of massive hail.
You can see the storm out behind it as well, it's training. Alright, I think this passed now.
Alright.
They're dropping everywhere. Hey Mum, yeah, I would put blankets over stuff. I've got a big crack in my window now from it. Yeah, it might just skim to the south of you, but just as a precaution, there were hail up the size of cricket balls that we got caught in, and it's pretty much moving straight your way, like maybe to the south of you, but just, if you can, try and cover some stuff just in case it does build up. Okay, bye.
Oh yeah, look at the smashed window. On the silver one.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, that's fully smashed out.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
cent pieces? Oh,
Yeah.
that's definitely a 20-cent piece, that one there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my poor plants are going to get smashed. I thought we were going to get a bigger one. Not too bad from that little cell though.
Yeah.